Good morning, Keller Williams, and welcome to your Maps Quick Tip of the Week. My name is Marty Miller. I'm one of your Maps technology coaches, and here to share with you today a new release on our KW Command app that is going to make importing your contacts from your phone significantly easier into your KW Command platform. In the past, we've used things like spreadsheets and API connectors through programs like API Nation, etc. Well, the dev team at KWI has made it significantly simpler to get those contacts in, and let's walk through that today. So I'm going to do a quick screen share of my iPhone. Yes, this will also work on Android as long as you have the KW Command app. Remember that KW Command app is the one with the red background and the white letters. You'll see it pop up here on my screen in just a second. The one at the very top left there where it says Command is our Command app. So we're going to open that up. And when we do, typically you're going to open to this screen. This is your home screen. And at the very bottom of your phone, you're going to see 5 buttons there: the home screen, your contacts, your tasks, your notifications, and then your menu. We're going to go into that second button, that is the contacts button. And at the very top right-hand corner, you now see a new button that says import. Guys, if you click on that import button, you're going to get a list of contacts from your phone. You can see I have 3,048 contacts in my phone. If I wanted to immediately bring in all of those contacts, I could simply click on select all and then continue in the top right-hand corner. Now, maybe there's some contacts in your phone that you already know that you don't need to bring in, such as Papa John's, for example. Am I the only person with that contact in my phone? I hope not. You could go in and unselect particular contacts that you did not want to have brought in. You could also clear the selection and then hand select the actual contacts that you want brought into your phone. So 3 different ways to select the contacts. Once you have them all selected, you can simply click on continue. Command's going to say, hey, we're about to begin this import. Once we do, we can't stop. Are you sure you want to continue? I will click on continue, and I'll get a quick progress bar. And then it's even going to tell you whether your contacts were or were not imported. And if some of them weren't, it'll share details with you and kind of see what that looks like. So that's it for today, guys. If you don't have your contacts in Command, why not? You've now got a super simple way to get into your KW Command app, download that on your phone, get it from the App Store, log in, get that import button up and running such that you can then add to your database and take the next steps from there, whether that be tagging, doing some database cleanup. Let's start using smart plans and all the other things that KW Command has to offer. As always, guys, hope you're having a fantastic day. I'll look forward to talking to you again real soon.